So I'm back, bitches. What's poppin'? It's your girl Angel and I'm back with another video. I'm gonna be doing a skincare routine for you guys. How I get my skin so clear. But it's not really that clear. So, but it's getting there though. But anyways, first thing first. Let me get some water. First thing first. What I use on my face is, first, I use this St. Ivory. Yep. I wash my face with this first. And then, let me put it in the camera for you guys. Wait to see it. I use this Skin Booster Vitamin Shot. Yeah, to lighten my skin up. I put that right here for you. You know. I was using this. You know, like the moisturizer and the cleanser. It works too, but I use it sometimes. I use this sometimes. And I got my little brush. Yeah. I used to use this dumbass shit, but it started burning on my fucking face and breaking me out. So therefore, we're gonna throw that in the trash. Even though that hit the floor. But it's okay. We're gonna leave it there until I pick it up. But first of all, let's get into this. Alrighty, I'm gonna speed this up for y'all. And then after I get to washing my face, we're gonna do this fucking little mask that I got from Walmart. Okay. Alright, you know, I just got to scrub my Cetaphil. I'm lying. Why am I lying to y'all? I said the wrong fucking thing. St. Ivory. That's what I meant. But yeah, and now I'm about to wash it off. This is gonna be the last thing I put on my face because I'm gonna put it on my face after I do that fucking mask. Okay? So, my face. I'm just about to dry my face off. This is my face. So, I'm about to do this black sugar face mask. You see it? Okay. You know I gotta put some lip gloss on my ashy ass lips. Okay. Why am I keep saying that? I don't know, so don't ask me. Cause I don't know, honey. That's how it's dirty, cause I use it to wipe makeup off. Guess what? Who gives a fuck? Who gives a fuck? Like, really? Do you really give a fuck? Do you? Well, I think so. But anyways, so my face is dry, so the part is dry face. Okay, honey? My neck is dry. It says, apply to face, leave on for 5 to 7 minutes, then gently massage for 1 to 2 minutes, then rinse off with warm water. Alrighty. Sugar. This is a lot of scrub going on my face. Oh my god. Oh, it smells so good. Makes me want to eat it. I might try that when I cut the camera off. Just saying. I thought it was gonna be like something that you can like, it was gonna be like smooth for you to just rub on your face. It was gonna go on so nice. Got me thinking they put some fucking food coloring up in this bitch on some fucking sugar and some fucking oil. Shit. That's about it. Yeah. So, I guess I'm gonna let this sit for like 5 to 7 minutes and I'll be back, you know, to massage it in for like a minute or two or a minute and 30 seconds. Who knows? But I'll be right back, you know. I'm gonna go chill, smoke me a blunt, and I'll be back. So I'm back, bitches. I'm big, 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 big up. Let me stop. I don't even know why I tried. I don't even know. But anyways, I'm gonna rub this in my face for a few seconds. Cause I don't feel like waiting 2 minutes or 1 minute. You know? So oh, let me stop that. Let me stop. Oh no, honey. Oh no, honey. Anyways, that's good enough. I'm gonna wash this off. Y'all, every time I put lip gloss on, I just wipe it right off. Like, what the fuck, bitch? Like, what the fuck? What the actual fuck? Anyways, my face is dry now. Oh, it looks extra crispy dry. Let me see. My face feels, it feels alright. It's good. It's a little smooth, it's a little soft, but it's okay. It's not all that, you know. I just look pale, you know. Yeah, but let's put this bullshit on my face. About to become a beauty guru. Are you ready? Are you ready? Are you ready? Are you ready? I think I'm gonna have to zoom y'all into this one. Let me stop playing. I like to zoom you in on this action. You get that little dribbler. You get that little dribbler. Right there. There you go. Oh, my bad. I messed up on the first try. Buy this now. Let me stop. Oh. But yeah, I'm just gonna rub this bullshit into my fucking face. I ain't gonna lie, y'all. This shit right here having my face looking bomb. I mean bomb, you know? It'd be like, oh, who is that? A whole new person. I'm like, baby, you best to know, you best to know, you best to know. Oh, I got this shit in my fucking eye. I'm trying to blink, but okay, that hit burn. Just a little bit. That was my skin routine for y'all. My skincare routine for y'all. You know. Let's wait till this dry and I go to fucking sleep. But sometimes y'all, I put that Cetaphil on my face, like the moisturizing. But it be making me sweat. Like, I only use it like when it's cold. If it's not out outside, if the sun not out, if the sun is not out, that's when I will slap something on my face. You know? I have dry skin. I am dry right here. You know? Around my cheeks, around my eyes. Yeah, I'm super oily on my fucking nose. And on my fucking forehead. So, I try not to put too much shit on my fucking face. You know? But anyways. Yeah. Anyways, let me stop playing. Don't y'all forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And share this fucking video. Like, what's y'all fucking problem? Do that, please. please, sweetheart, okay? Like, comment, and subscribe. And, you know, tell me what the videos y'all want to see. Yeah. I'm out this bitch. Hugs and kisses. And good night.
Remix, share a snare, top a kid, guitar riffs, piano friends.